Tulak-tulak lang naman po.
Alright, here we go. Thank you, sir. We're here at the Grand Test Ride event here at Mototown, and this will be our first time riding this Ducati Scrambler. Alright, and then engage na, and then the starter. There you go. Let's go. Alright, we are on the Ducati Scrambler. This is our first time riding on a Ducati. Uy, ang sarap iligo. Pero grabe, ang lakas ng first gear, sumisibat. We gotta be careful here. Chill lang. Isang mabilisang test ride lang naman tayo dito. Enjoy lang natin si Ducati Scrambler. Who would have thought na makakapag-ride tayo ng Ducati, you know, kahit sa isang simpleng test ride lang. Sa seat height, yun, abot naman natin sa 5'4". And sa power, very manageable. Alright. Sobrang wide ng kanya handlebar, grabe. Ang sarap niyang segway dito. Nice one. Shoutout sa mga taga Ride Academy for assisting us on this Grand Test Ride event. Siyempre chill lang tayo dahil yung dinadaanan natin is maiksi lang, makipot. But at least you know, we would have an idea kung ano yung experience ng makasakay sa isang Ducati bike, no? But the engine heat, ito medyo mainit, but hindi pa naman ganun kainit na hindi niya pa na-meet yung init ng expectation ko pagdating sa engine heat. So far so good pa naman. Ay, at dito ito nakalumusot. Anyway, yun lang, isang mabilis yung vlog lang naman to, but appreciate ko naman yung even on a short period of time na goods lang. Very decent power, and okay lang, very manageable. Sir, thank you. Thank you so much. Isang mabilis ang vlog lang naman to. That is Ducati Scrambler. Dito lang yan sa Grand Test Ride event dito sa Mototown. Ang daming mga bikes dito, and iba't ibang brands na pwedeng pagpilian. I'm not quite sure if makapag-road test pa tayo na maramihan. Grabe, sobrang daming tao dito. Ito yung booth ng Ride Academy. Yan, so dito nila ina-assess yung mga riders na gusto mag-road test. And we also have some off-roading dito. I guess try natin i-test ride yung PG1, no?
Hinahanap na po ng ating mga kaibigan.
We'll see about that.
Ang key fob.
And ito nga pala yung booth ng Premium Gears.
Mangyaring i-approach
Boss A.
po ang booth ng Triumph Motorcycles kung nasa inyo po.
Ducati, boss. Ducati. Gear up ka na, boss. Ito yung booth ng Premium Gears. You know, if you're looking for high quality air-cooled riding jersey, dito tayo. And very affordable. We got Lash Moto riding jersey, Goddess Moto riding jersey. Ito mga crop top nila, riding crop top nila, Goddess and Lash. And so marami tayong mga bagong designs na naglabasan ngayon. Yan, pwede nyo i-follow ang aming Facebook page, and you can purchase also sa Shopee store ng Premium Gears. Yan, yun lang. Thanks so much for watching.